I'm Carilyn Quigley. I installed a heat pump about 18 months ago, and it was installed with the standard thermostat, which was very limiting, very frustrating, not very efficient. My bills weren't great, and I got really frustrated with it. I think there are two big benefits with the Passiv Smart Thermostat. The one is the consistently warm temperature, and the other is the cost saving. The Passiv Smart Thermostats reduced my bills by 40%. It's amazing that you could reduce your bills just because it's being controlled by a clever thermostat. It's given me much more control, but I have to do far less in order to get the best outcome. And it's just more efficient. It's seamless because it already knows the Octopus Cozy tariff. It understands when those timings are, and it automatically adjusts my heating at the most cost-effective times, but still keeping it consistent, which is why I'm saving 40%. Before the Passiv Smart Thermostat, I was really questioning whether I'd done the right thing by getting a heat pump because it wasn't delivering what it had promised. But now with it, I absolutely know that I made the right decision.